Hey guys, today we are talking about one of the major type of investments. Before going to the topic, let us see the classification of investments. Number 1, insurance. Number 2, equity or mutual funds. Third are bonds, savings and rental properties. In today's topic, we are going to talk about the number 1 and basic type of investment, that is insurance. Insurance is classified as health insurance, life or term insurance, travel insurance, property or home loan insurance, and many more. Guys, do you consider this insurance as a type of investment? Please let us know in the comment section. The basic necessity of an individual is to have an insurance before going to any type of investments. The major are health insurance and term insurance. Today we are going to talk about the term insurance. Term insurance is the purest form of life insurance which ensures the security of the dependents in case of uncertainty. It is the most basic and can also provide options of critical illness and accidental death with affordable premium. And it is preferred to buy in early stage of life to take an advantage of lower premium. Who should buy term insurance? Let us see. The number 1, if the person is one of the caretaker and the only earner to the family. Second one, if the person has debts. Third one, if the person has insufficient investments to feed family. Note, do not try to take a term insurance only for the tax saving purpose. Before moving further, let us discuss the important aspects to consider before buying a term insurance. And please note that these aspects may vary according to the requirements and the age of the policyholder. The number 1, claim settlement ratio. Higher the better. Number 2, claim intimation ratio, which is higher the better. Number 3, the premium. Number 4, claim complaint ratio, which is lower the better. Now let us land to Policy Bazaar website and explore more on term insurance. So we can click on term insurance option, enter your basic details and click on view free quotes. Here we are choosing 1 crore as life cover and cover till age for 75 years. We have got the top 3 result. One is ICICI, HDFC Life and Max Life Insurance. Let us choose the payment method as yearly. Compare these top 3 plans. I'll click ICICI Life, HDFC Life and Max Life Insurance. The max coverage is up to 99 years in ICICI Pru Life and 85 years in Max and HDFC Life. The second one is claim settlement ratio, which is 99.4%, the highest for Max Life Insurance. And the average claim trend, that means the last 3 years average claim ratio is also highest for Max Life Insurance, that is 99.09%. And the debt claim paid, that is 1023 crores for ICICI, 650 crores for HDFC and 562 crores for Max Life Insurance. And the medical required, so ICICI and HDFC Life would be on telemedical and Max Life Insurance, post you buy the insurance, they will send the medical team and they will collect the sample from your home itself. The next aspect we are seeing is the claim complaint ratio. HDFC Life has the least complaint ratio of 3 and Max Life has 6 and ICICI have 13. The next one is claim settlement promise, 24 hours for all the 3, right? And the waiver of premium of disability is free for ICICI And for max life insurance, we have to pay around 156 rupees per annum, right? And terminal illness, ICICI and Max both are providing for free, and for HDFC we have to get the add-on. And these are the additional cover. For extra charges, you can go through it and you can change the numbers and you can customize it. So here, according to this, Max Life Insurance stands top among top three, right? So let us go to their main website and let's go through and fill in the details. So I have filled all the details. Okay, now we can see that selected life cover by default is 1 crore. That means in case of any uncertainty, the family dependents would given 1 crore rupees, and it's a default one, and you can change it as per your requirement. And by default, they have 60 years. So I prefer that we have to cover till 75 years age, right? That means that if you are if some uncertainty happens to you before 75 years, your dependents would get complete benefits. So if something happens to you after 75 years, after completing 75 years, you and your dependents are not getting any benefits. So the next one is payment periods, right? They have a default of 50 years, and it would be, if for annually, it would be around 9,800. So you will pay around 3 lakh in the policy period for 50 years. The next one is pay till 60. That means you have to pay for next 35 years, right? So you will be paying around 3.5 lakh for the 35 years annually. And uh, the best option I prefer is pay for next 10 years. So my age is 25 now, so I have to pay for next 10 years. So that would be around 24,000, right? And the next one is free exit benefit added by default. So this is very simple, that if you want to exit at the age of 55, right, you will get the amount you have paid, excluding the government tax and the service tax. So you will get the remaining amount that you have paid, and you will exit from the policy. So you will terminate your policy, right? So this is it. You can go through it. So the next one is term illness coverage. So up to 1 crore of payment payout of the diagnosis of the terminal illness if you are diagnosed with any terminal illness. You can go through it and you can read the terms and conditions. And why to choose Max Health? It's the best term plan company. Claim ratio paid has the highest of 99.35. They will provide a dedicated claim relationship officer, and they say that the claims will be done within 24 hours. So that is great, right? So here I am paying for 10 years. So that would be costing around 24,000. But for the first premium, we will be getting 5% discount plus 2.5% discount. So yeah, it has reduced to 23,636 annually. You can choose monthly or quarterly or semi annually or annually. I personally prefer it for annually, to pay it at once. So that would be 23,636 rupees for 10 years, right? So if I want to terminate at the age of 55, if I want to exit from the policy, I will get 2.09 lakhs. So let's click on add select add-on and go to the next step. So there are three add-on riders. One is critical illness or disability rider. One is accidental cover. One is waiver of future premium. So that is for 153 rupees, just 153 rupees. It just means that within age of 35, if any uncertainty happens or any disabilities happen to the policyholder, right? So he need not to pay the premium for next until he is covered. So I'm choosing that and selecting the next step. So again, it will ask few details. Please fill on them. Here we can see that we are eligible for home medicals. They will come to our location and get all the samples from our home itself. We need not to go to the any health centers. So I'm paying for current policy. Yes, I have clicked, and I'm seeing the premium summary. So the coverage is 1 crore for 75 years. I'll pay till 35 years. So the base premium, the first year premium is 23,636. So these are the four add-ons, right? So one is terminal illness coverage, it's for free, and voluntary top-up benefit for free. Special exit value is for free, and waiver of premium, that is 152.27 every year for 10 years. I have to pay that. So the total would be around 23,788 for first year premium. I'm clicking to proceed. So again, we can see the summary. You have to just click on pay now, and you can pay through any mode of payments. So the major benefits of having a term insurance are: number one, the protection to entire family, and number two, premium paid will be eligible for tax benefits under 80C or 80 CCC, 80D or 37 of Income Tax Act 1961 as per applicability. So, if you are the only bread earner to your family and if you do care for them in your absence, you have to buy term insurance as early as possible. Thanks for making till the end of the video. Stay safe.